This handheld vacuum cleaner is perfect for household use, effortlessly tackling dust, pet hair, and debris from carpets and hard floors for a pristine home environment. Powered by a robust battery, this vacuum cleaner ensures long-lasting performance and cordless convenience, allowing you to clean every corner of your home without interruption. Featuring advanced cyclone technology, this vacuum cleaner provides powerful suction, making it ideal for removing pet hair and deep-seated dirt from all surfaces with ease.